Good afternoon to all my staff and my dear students. Presently, today I am presenting dyeing of cotton fabric with reactive dyes with experiment. The experiment title is dyeing of cotton fabric with reactive dyes. Reactive dye. It shows by name reactive dye. Means this class of dye is completed by reaction. This reaction is conducted between dye stuff and fiber polymer. A dye which is capable of reacting with chemical substrate. वह डाई जो किसी फाइबर से रिएक्शन करने में कैपेबल है. इट मीन्स it make bond between fiber polymer system and dye stuff. This bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond means सहसंयोजक bond. यानी कि means electron is participates by fiber and dye stuff. The dye reactive in this reaction, fiber have reactive groups in this cotton like OH groups and protein fiber amino groups. That is called integral part of the fiber. The covalent bond is formed between the dye molecule and fiber polymer system. Fibers terminal group. In cotton, hydroxyl is terminal group, and in wool, amino is terminal group. These terminal group makes covalent bond between dye stuff and fiber polymer system. History of reactive dye. Reactive dyes first appeared commercially in 1956. After their invention in 1954 by Ratte and Stephens at the group. Dye stuff these dye stuffs are division site in Beckley, Manchester, UK. Now we are starting properties of reactive dye. In properties of reactive dye, usage. First of all, fiber usage. Cotton, rayon, flax and other cellulosic groups are capable for reactive dye process. In polyamide wool fiber also is capable for reactive dye. Silk and acetate fiber is also capable for reactive dye. Some dye trade name is also important in this process. Prussian dye, manufacturer ICI, country UK, Kivacron, Remazol, Livafix and Reactone, ETCR called reactive dyes. Now we are discussing about properties of reactive dyes. Reactive dyes are aniline dyes, anionic dyes, which are used for dyeing cellulosic protein and polyamide fibers. Reactive dyes are found in powder form, liquid form और प्रिंटिंग पेस्ट फॉर्म. मीन्स पाउडर फॉर्म में भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, लिक्विड फॉर्म डाइंग के दौरान लिक्विड फॉर्म में इट इज़ इजीली soluble and it make paste in printing paste form as a printing paste. During dyeing, reactive group of this dye form covalent bond between dye stuff and fiber polymer system. Reactive dyes are soluble in water soluble dyes, and they have very good light fastness properties. Reactive dyes have very good light fastness property with rating 6. Textile manufacturer dyed with reactive dyes have very good washing fastness property. Rating is 4 to 5. Dyeing method of reactive dye is easy. It requires less time and low temperature during dyeing process. Means reactive dye require very less time and less temperature during dyeing process. Reactive dye are comparatively cheap. सस्ती होती है. Reactive dye are comparatively cheap. Reactive dye have good perspiration properties. Perspiration properties rating is 4 to 5. Now we are discussing process of reactive dyes. Reactive dye का process. It complete in 3 stages. First is dye absorption. Second is it complete in 3 stages. First is dye absorption, second is reaction time, or third is washing. In dye absorption, during dye absorption, we dissolve the dye in dye liquid and take NaCl as a electrolytes. NaCl are used as a electrolyte in reactive dyes. Classifications of reactive dyes. Reactive dyes are classified according to basis of reactive group, according to activated vinyl compound method, or on the basis of reactivity, lower reactivity, medium reactivity, high reactivity. And last is a higher reactive dye on the basis of dyeing temperature. In dyeing temperature, basically are 3 types: cold brand method, medium brand method, hot brand method. Cold brand method, so first of all we take basis of reactive group. It have basically 3 reactive groups during dyeing: triazine group, pyridine group, pyridamine group, or quinoxaline group dyes. Triazine group, it have quinacrone and quinacrone group, quinaprocian group, quinacrone and procian dyes. Pyridamine group means a reactone dispersed dye, pyridamine group. And quinoxaline dyes, Levafix. Activated vinyl compound, vinyl sulfone. Vinyl sulfone is a Remazole dye, reactive dye, vinyl sulfone. Vinyl acrylamide group, primazine dyes. or vinyl sulfonamide group, Levafix. So basically we use on the basis of reactivity and on the basis of temperature. So most important method is cold Brand method, medium Brand method, and hot Brand method. Cold Brand method, these dyes are contain reactive groups in high reactivity. Cold Brand means high reactivity. So dyeing can be done at lower temperature, means 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 60 डिग्री सेल्सियस. हॉट ब्रांड एक वेरी लाइट टेम्परेचर पर भी स्टार्ट हो जाती है और एक बार स्टार्ट हो जाने के बाद में एक ऊष्माक्षेपी अभिक्रिया के रूप में परिवर्तित हो जाती है और डाई होती रहती है. इसलिए इनिशियली इट रिक्वायर वेरी लो टेम्परेचर, जैसे कि प्रोशियन एम एंड लेवाफिक्स ई डाई आर कोल्ड ब्रांड डाइज. मीडियम ब्रांड डाइज reactivity group combine moderate reactivity. Moderate reactivity is done higher temperature than cold Brand dyes. It require 60 to 71 degrees Celsius temperature and higher reactivity then it require high reactivity. Moderate reactivity. These reactive dyes are Remazole, Levafix are and medium branded dye. Medium brand dye are hot brand dye. This type of dye contains a reactive group of least reactivity. In cold brand dye, high reactivity, moderate ब्रांड डाई मीडियम रिएक्टिविटी एंड इन हॉट ब्रांड डाई लीस्ट रिएक्टिविटी, सबसे कम रिएक्टिविटी होती है इसकी. सो हाई टेम्परेचर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर डाइंग. इसलिए इसके लिए हाई टेम्परेचर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है और द टेम्परेचर रेंज इज 72 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 91 या 93 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड ड्यूरिंग डाइंग प्रोसेस. These reactive dyes are Precision N and Kivachrome are hot brand dyes. Dyeing methods of reactive dye. Three stages are required reactive dye: exhaustion of the dye and fixation under the influence of alkali or washing off. So first of all we take exhaustions of the dye. Fiber immersed in dye liquid, electrolyte is added. We use electrolyte as an initial. It help absorption, dye uptake on fiber surface. Absorption. So when textile material introduced in the dye liquid, the dye exhausted on the fiber is created by electrolyte. Fixation. Dye fixation is very important part of reactive dye. Fixing of the dye means the reaction of the reactive group between dye and terminal groups. Dye and terminal group of fiber, like a cotton. Cotton have hydroxyl terminal group and dye stuff have its own group, and reaction during reaction make a covalent bond between hydroxyl group and dye stuff. In wool fiber, amino group is a terminal group. It is combined with the dye stuff and make a covalent bond, make a strong covalent bond. During dye fixation, one precaution is necessary. During reaction, pH of the dye liquid is maintained between 11 to 12, means basic pH required. During adding alkaline, it is created by adding alkaline and maintain it 11 to 12. At this pH, fixation is very good. Dyeing fixing agent we are add during dye fixing. Third is washing of. We wash the after completing the dye. We wash the fabric in 3 stages: hot wash, cold wash, and soap wash. Hot wash temperature requires 60 degrees Celsius. Cold wash means cold in 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and we use soap wash. By soap wash it is removed by different methods of reactive dye. We take usually 3 types of method in industrial level: pad batch method, pad dry method, or pad steam method. Cotton dyeing with reactive dye. Reactive dye take percentage and X%. Sequestering agent is 0.5 gram per liter. Wetting agent is 0.1 to 0.5 gram per liter. And anti-creasing agent is 0.5 to 2 gram per liter. And salt is required 20 to 80 gram per liter. Soda is required 2 to 20 gram per liter. And temperature is required 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Dyeing time 60 to 80 minutes. So it is completed dyeing process. We have discussed already properties of reactive dye. These dyes have anionic nature, and it have very good washing fastness properties, very and good light fastness properties, and good perspiration properties. And light fastness is rating is 6, and washing fast is rating is 4 to 5, and perspiration properties rating is 4 to 5, and these dyes are cheap and easily soluble in water, so it can easily apply on these fiber like cellulosic fiber, cotton, flax, viscose rayon, etc., wool or nylon in protein fiber, easily apply. So cellulosic fiber, protein fiber, and polyamide fiber are used by this dyes. Thank you to all my staff and my dear students. Thank you. Namaskar.